going down. Now that was some decoy snow.
Alright guys, welcome back. We just pulled up to our spot. There's 20,000 snow geese in the field. We're just gonna start throwing out our blinds and decoys and start making our U. Wind's coming northwest today, so we're gonna make a good little kill hole right here. Throw up the blinds. There's kind of like a little ruts and some high stubble on this side, so we're gonna cover it up, and hopefully that topography will kind of cover us up so we're not seeing like a outline of the blinds and the birds are coming in. So I think we'll have a pretty good setup today, and we should smack the out of them. Alright guys, so we finished up putting them over decoys. We bought 1,000 set out. We ended up going with a donut situation for our spread. We were thinking of you before, but I think these snow geese are going to like that kind of circle we put out front, so hopefully drop down nice and easy into this hole. We have wind coming behind us, and hopefully they like to circle a lot, sometimes just right over you. Hopefully they come in and kind of glide nice and close so you can smack them good. Pretty early right now, around 2 o'clock, so maybe about an hour or so we'll start seeing some birds start to show up, and we'll get them.
Kill it! Oh shit! Oh, damn! Get him ripped.
Get that on video, Nate.
Hey, get that.
Get him, track him down.
Yeah.
That's so awesome.
Oh, Bubba, damn.
Oh, they got their feet down. They want it.
They're doing nice. They're starting to get put into a goose tornado. Right, yeah. Oh my god. Wow. Alright, we're ripping these, I guess. Yeah. Go. Go. I better get on the call.
No, G, don't call this time. Just let them come in.
We're good up to 429, right?
I had one show.
Got you.
I had one show. What an idiot.
Alright, now
You had one show?
448.
Yeah.
Come here, Rip.
They come back.
Ripper. Bring him here. Come on. Rip. Rip.
That's an older one.
That may be an adult.
You're the rip.
Oh, shit.
Oh, I better not shoot that one.
Get it.
Now that was some decoy snow. Oh, that was
awesome.
Keep going. I don't want
You got to go.
Okay. Yeah, I know they're back there. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Here, 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 here. Okay, Rip. Rip. Better. Go get him. Rip. Rip.
How stupid is that those now they came up like they were coming in like
Come on, Ripper.
what the hell? God, that is so dumb.
boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Go ahead. Joe.
Get him, David. Get him, David.
Shoot him, Joe. Man, that dog went right between my legs out the door. Thing out of solid.
Yeah, we got a snow.
All that calling for one.
That's it. Out of the blue.
Yeah, out of the blue. Yeah, like.
What do you think, Joe? It's gonna be good.
Over the cows. These come close, we should just whip them. Well, this morning does not work out as planned. We set up in the same field we were last night, and we did not hear or see one snow goose all morning. We saw some Canada geese like 10 o'clock, and that was it. They just flew straight by, didn't even give us a look. We think our birds might have moved or left just because we got a little snow last night and temperature change. They might have pushed through. So we got on a new field this afternoon. There's roughly, just guessing, 7, 8, 9,000 snows with probably a couple thousand ducks hitting this field. And then there's also another field behind us and flying over and hitting that too. So hopefully we can call some of those in. We threw out about 1,000 decoys and hopefully we can get some. It's about 2:30 right now. Hopefully next hour it should start picking up and be able to call some of these fellers in. So I'm gonna send us off to Joe right now for a weather report. He's kind of the man.
Right now, I think it warmed up a little bit. Kind of stopped snowing. Still a little breeze, 27 right now, so we're doing pretty all right. But hopefully these birds start flying soon.
Snack report.
Need a snack report. Got chicken and biscuit, spray cheese, of course. Some crunch donuts, spicy sweet chili Doritos, and a hunk of sausage down there. So we're doing pretty all right. Oh, can't forget the gallon of cran apple.
They kind of switch fields on us sometimes. I don't know why they do that. They must talk in the pond and they just switch up and nothing to do about it. So. Nice.